Okay, I have discussed regarding investment when the investment money is compounded per unit time, so maybe yearly or 6 monthly, usually yearly. Or so now if there is a situation when a fixed amount of investment is made after every unit time, how the total sum accumulates, I will talk about that. So let's say the initial sum is P, and then the interest is R and time is N. So but after every unit time this same P is added. So let's look at with an example. Let's say P is $1,000 and R is say 6%. So in terms of fraction, this is this one, and say N is 20 years. Now what happens is after every year P, the $1,000 is added into the investment amount. So the whole money, the first investment, the first year's money or the first installment, it stays for 20 years. So the sum that accumulates is A1, which is the first one. It will be 1 plus R to the power 20 because it stays for 20 years. Similarly, the second year's one, it stays for 19 years. And this way the third one will stay for 18 years. Similarly, the last one, it will stay for just 1 year. So the total sum that is accumulated, that is calculated as the, if we write that thing, the total sum accumulated will be like this. So P 1 plus R to the power 20 plus 1 plus R to the power 19 plus like that 1 plus R. So now this 1 plus R is 1.06. So basically we have P here 1.06. I'm writing in the other way around, so square, and this way it is P 1.06 to the power 19 and 20. So yeah, now if I want to calculate the sum, what I can see here is this is a geometric series when A is 1.06, R is 1.06 as well, and N is 20. There are 20 terms here. So the last one is 20 and this is 1.06. I know it's not readable, but that's what it is. N is 20. So basically the total sum, if I say that's A maybe, that will become, we know that the formula is like that, A, sorry, this one is not A here, R to the power N minus 1 and R minus 1, and this P is just that P. So this is our series formula of the sum, and this is that P. So this is the formula that we have to use. So this one, if we plug in the values, it will be 1000. Here it will be 1.06 minus 1, 1.06, and this one will be 1.06 to the power 20 minus 1. So one has to be careful while doing this, while plugging in the value in the calculator. So it's just with proper, just be careful about the power and everything. This one is like that, so then it's easy to get the result from calculator. But this is the formula for this kind of investments where a regular investment is done after every unit of time and the total sum accumulates for a certain amount of years or term I would say. Usually it's years, but it can be 6 monthly, it can be monthly as well, whatever it is, that doesn't matter. So unit of time, that's the thing.